This is your feeder and stock report for Wednesday, May 20th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Based on a couple sales in central Alberta on Tuesday, steers 900 plus 466 to 471, 8 to 900 495 to 510, 7 to 800 560 to 577, 6 to 700 607 to 625, 5 to 600 711 to 717, 4 to 500 775 to 780. Heifers 900 plus 427 to 460, 8 to 900 460 to 498, 7 to 800 510 to 517, 6 to 700 535 to 562, 5 to 600 625 to 701, 4 to 500 640 to 712. Yesterday in central Alberta, calf pairs traded from $6,800 per pair to $8,300 per pair. Bred cows traded from $4,600 per head to $6,700 per head. The direct cattle sales Tuesday saw no new trade report, but there's a good chance scatter trade will develop by this afternoon. Show-less volumes are larger than last week with a larger cash offering. Last week, buying interest was noted from at least 2 U.S. packers. Western Canadian cow carcass weights continue to hold at record high levels, averaging on either side of 900 pounds. The continued development and expansion of white cow programs have contributed to larger carcass weights. In the cow trade in central Alberta Tuesday, D1 to 2 cows 237 to 260, D3 cows 223 to 235. Bulls in central Alberta yesterday brought 265 to 277. In the U.S., light trade was reported in Iowa and Nebraska yesterday, with live sales at 264, steady with last week. Significant trade could hold off until Thursday or Friday. Asking prices are starting out in the upper 260s per hundredweight on the live basis. After more than a year, China has renewed the registration of most beef processing and export facilities. Prior to March 2025 suspension, China was the third largest market for U.S. beef. Sources indicate China has granted a 5-year registration extension to 425 beef plants and facilities. In addition, China has also agreed to resume imports of poultry from U.S. states determined by USDA to be free of highly pathogenic avian influenza. National Bona cows averaged 334.22 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 72.76, down 5 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, a mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows: June 253.02, 152, August 244.55, down 270, October 236.05, down 325. This is Dallas Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.